the Mortgage Guy, Mortgage Mondays, episode 69. I'm talking about calculating debt to income. Matt, the Mortgage Guy, Mortgage Mondays, episode 69, where I'm talking about calculating debt to income. For most mortgages, you're going to have a yearly pay, monthly pay on a W-2 that's fairly consistent, so you know what your gross monthly income is. And in that case, you can do a simple math formula to figure out how much you're going to qualify for. And the basics of it are, you take your gross monthly income, let's call it $6,000 for an example, multiply that by 45%. 6,000 times 45% is $2,700. Your monthly debts cannot exceed $2,700, and that includes the new mortgage. So if you have $350 a month car payment, $250 a month in student loans, and $100 a month in credit card debts, you minus that $700 off the $2,700 a month figure. Now you've got $2,000 a month in which you can qualify for a mortgage. Qualify for a mortgage of up to $2,000 a month. So that's the basics of it. Your current debt plus the mortgage can exceed 45% of your gross monthly income. Again, real quick for demonstration, you take your gross monthly income, you multiply it by 45%, and that's how you get your maximum debt to income. And that debt to income is going to include on the debt side current debts plus your future mortgage. Any questions at all, feel free to reach out. Hope I didn't go too fast on that. And obviously there's just thousands and thousands of different scenarios based on how you get paid, when you get paid, how you file your tax returns, and things of that nature. So I'm happy to look at your scenario if you'd like. Matt, the Mortgage Guy, Mortgage Mondays. Till next week.
Call Matt, the Mortgage Guy. When you're ready to apply, call Matt, the Mortgage Guy. Or visit mattthemortgageguy.com. Visit mattthemortgageguy.com.